Okay, Carl, start by introducing yourself and tell us a little bit about yourself and what you do, please.
That's always a tough question. So my name is Carl Gough and I'm a professional storyteller based in the Swansea Valley. Many storytellers are very familiar with the experience of being so lost in a story that you don't even notice when somebody's walking past you. So the stories I tell, they're myths, legends, folk tales. They were born in the mouth and they've survived in the mouth. A lot of the stories that I share, they are very rooted in the wild places of Wales. And Castell-nedd Port Talbot gives you access to all that, the mountains, the forests, the rivers, the sea. That is the treasure of this place. It's a wonderful blend of natural, urban, man-made, history, and all of it just blends together so seamlessly. Whatever I'm working on at any particular time, I can usually find an environment that helps conjure some of the sensations, the emotions that go with that story. And there was this little valley and I thought, well, this looks interesting. So we translated what the Welsh name for this valley was, and it was the Valley of Tumbling Goats. It just is so inspiring. If you come across somebody talking to themselves while you're out and about, they may well be a storyteller. Castell-nedd Port Talbot is not what you think it is.